Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to remove Chrome wallpaper now. Start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. Once there, navigate to Appearance and then Theme or New Tab Background so you're at the right control. Make sure Sync is off if you don't want this change to apply to other devices. That prevents unintended overwrites. If you plan to replace the image, have the replacement ready in Downloads. Now, proceed to the background selection. We'll remove it in the next step. You'll now remove the wallpaper itself. Choose No Background or Reset to Default to immediately revert the new tab appearance. If the wallpaper was a custom upload, click Manage or Open File and delete the specific image so Chrome can't reapply it. This clears the source. Once removed, apply the default theme. Sometimes an extension or theme may block the change, so disable that extension if needed. Then restart Chrome to confirm the new tab. Finish by verifying the result on a new tab and confirming sync didn't reapply the image from another device. If the wallpaper persists, disable any theme or new tab extension and try again. These are common culprits. Make sure to clear Chrome cache and restart one more time. If that still fails, use Reset Settings to restore Chrome defaults, which removes stubborn themes and extensions. If problems continue, check that the image file isn't stored in a synced album or profile that keeps reintroducing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.